Hello and welcome to Talk Audio TV from the Mobile Electronics News Show at the Jaguar Hall of the Ricoh Arena in deepest Coventry. I'm here with Mr. Matthew Forbes of Fusion. Hello Matthew, how are you, sir?
Very well, thank you, madam.
Fabulous. I just basically going to explain that whilst Fusion is known as a car audio brand, you guys are bloody huge in marine, what we're coming from New Zealand and all down under, where all the islands and boats.
Where it's sunny, which it hasn't been here recently, which is not always good for business. But yeah, we are a premium brand now within marine.
So show us this marine kit. We've got a beautiful stand. It looks like a piece of a boat.
Yeah, this is.
You have to get your head right down to the camera so you can hear some shout at us. But
yeah, let me crouch down. This is a rib console, which is just a great little demonstration tool for us, which allows us to get everything really out for everybody to see, the trade in the public. So what you're looking at here is a way of us demonstrating our speaker, amplifier and heads unit technology in marine. So what we have here is our 600 series family of heads. We have what we call the AV600 here, which is a DVD CD.
Do the slot there, zoom in.
All of these products is completely IP65 rated and waterproof. They come with these the cover you see there, but that cover is purely to keep it clean. It doesn't give it any more waterproof characteristics. The unit is absolutely waterproof as it is. No extra additional cover or protection required.
What's the bottom unit there? There's a slightly smaller one.
This here is the iPod dock that goes with the unit, and this is a great product because basically what you have here is the unit comes with all of the relevant sleeves.
This is the same tooling that was done for that iPod eating head unit that's non-marine.
That's right.
Expensive bit of plastic to get made, but there it is.
Yeah, this F here, this sleeve F is for the iPhone, for example. So all we need to do is plug my iPhone in there. When my iPhone is in there, it's protected because it's little cushioning pads there, so it's not going to get scratched. It's being charged, so when I get off the boat, it's at the top of the battery, and it's also completely waterproof and shielded in there. So the sort of boat you would find that on maybe sort of a power or performance boat, like a 6.5 metre rib with 150 200 horsepower in the back, where any anti-skip mechanism in the world is not going to cope with sort of 40 knots in chop.
Well, and what about if I've got a real gin palace and I'm going bloody transatlantic? What happens to me radio when I get to America, mate?
Well, when you get to America, that's one of the things I told you a little earlier, is that we can actually transfer the tuner between European and USA alignments. The product really is designed specifically for the marine industry, and that's really the point of difference with ourselves. It's about taking a product from nothing and building it specifically for marine, not starting with something else and trying to in some way, shape or evolve it. If I take you over here where the other 600 series heads are, we have the iPod flavour of it, where obviously you can see there's no optical drive in there at all. It just has the...
That's mechless, that's just an iPod machine.
Yeah, so that, again, all of the sleeves are compatible that I showed you before, so you may have a classic Nano Touch, etc., or a case iPhone. And then you have just the CD version, should you not want DVD. What you're looking at, which is I particularly love in the centre here, is the remote option, which is a wide remote control, which you can daisy chain multiple units. I've personally had 7 of these running simply from one head unit. Daisy chain them together, again, it's fully waterproof. Every function that's on this unit is also available on this unit. So it's a really great way of being able to control the product. Anyway.
All this does is make me hurt for wanting the flipping marine lifestyle on a boat. That means I can go and buy some Fusion Marine. I saw that fishing program about marlin and hated the little NZella for being so damn lucky. But Matthew Forbes, thank you very much indeed, sir. That's
thank you, Adam.
Marvellous. Adam Rayner reporting for Talk Audio TV, signing off.